Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got the ArkPro Ultra EDC flashlight from our good friends over at OLIGHT. Now I have to say, before I even start this review, this is hands down the best, most durable, most inventive flashlight that I've ever tested. And I know that's saying a lot because I test a lot of different flashlights, but if you're looking for an EDC flashlight, which stands for everyday carry, this might be the one for you because OLIGHT has thought about every aspect of building a flashlight, and this has incredibly cool advanced technology built into it. And you might be wondering, how do I get so excited about a flashlight? Well, when I start explaining what OLIGHT has done with this particular model, you're going to get excited as well. Now, before I get into all the details of what makes this flashlight pretty amazing, I wanted to start with a quick unboxing just to show you everything that's included with the product, and then I'll spend some time talking about the features because, again, it looks like a standard flashlight, but everything about it is unique. There's proprietary materials in there, a proprietary LED. They've thought about every aspect of what makes a flashlight great, and OLIGHT has included all of those advanced features into the new ArkPro Ultra. So let's get started with the unboxing so I can actually talk about some of those cool features. So when you first pop open the box, you'll find the flashlight, and boy is this a professional flashlight. It fits in your hand really well. It's nice and long and thin. It's got a good weight to it as well. And they've taken the time to actually laser etch a pattern into either side of it, which adds to the grip, so you're not going to drop this. And even if you do, it's incredibly durable, and I'll talk about why that's important in a minute. But it really is a great everyday carry flashlight because unlike specialty lights or even tactical lights that have very specific use cases, this does everything. So if you're heading out on a camping trip, you can use the floodlight to illuminate the path in front of you. If you hear something in the woods that you're a little afraid of, you can turn on the spotlight and see what's going on over there. It's got a UV light on it, so if you want to look at the ground to find something you dropped, it'll light up the ground for you. It even has a laser pointer on it, so you can point out things in the woods to your kids when you're walking through that path. So it does everything you need. On the back, you've got a belt clip so you can slide it on your belt. It'll always be handy. And on the side, there's a button right here to turn the laser pointer on. And on the bottom, you'll notice kind of an interesting connection. Completely waterproof because they also include a charging base, which is magnetic. Now watch this. When you bring that base close to the bottom of the flashlight, it clips right on. And the way it charges is there's a little bit of a pogo pin right here, which is a pin that pops out. And you've got two conductors, the pogo pin and the outside ring. And when you connect this up to the flashlight, you can plug this into any standard wall charger with a USB-A port on it and fully charge the unit. But it also has a USB-C connection on the side if you'd rather not use the charging base or you want to charge it from maybe a portable power station when you're out on your camping trip. So really nice flashlight. Again, a unique way to charge it. This company's thinking about everything. All right, in addition to that, there's a specifications guide right here that talks about all the different types of lights and how bright they are, how they compare to other lights that are out there. And I have to say again, what you're getting here is really a combination of 4 different types of flashlights in a single unit. You've got the green laser, which is great for pointing at things. You've got the UV light, which is great for illuminating things. Now, I shouldn't admit this, but we have pets. And if you have pets, sometimes they have an accident inside the house, and it's hard to tell where that accident took place. So turn the lights out, turn on the UV flashlight, walk through the room, and you'll know exactly where that accident took place. It's also good for checking for counterfeit bills and a whole lot of other things. You've got a floodlight, and you've got a spotlight inside of one light. In addition to that, there's a little manual right here that talks about some of the innovations that OLIGHT has built into this product. And again, I have to say this, flashlights are pretty common. They've been around for a long, long time. And there's a lot of companies that make flashlights on the market. OLIGHT's one of those companies that thinks about every aspect of a flashlight, the material on the outside, the type of LED that's creating that illumination for you. How are you going to charge it? How can you keep it weather resistant? Everything about this flashlight is unique. So I'm going to get into that next. All right, so let's start with the material. This unit, it looks like aluminum, but it's a specialty aluminum called OAL, which was developed by OLIGHT, and it actually matches up with a standard aluminum, which is 6061, which is the one most flashlight vendors use, but it's more durable. It's like 1.73 times more durable than that 6061 aluminum. So you've got a product here that compares to titanium, it compares to aluminum, but it's better. So when you drop this, it's not going to get nicked up and scratched. Now, you're going to be out in the woods with it, you're going to be out all over the place. You don't want a flashlight that's going to get marked up. In addition to that, like I'd mentioned, they laser etched a pattern on either side to give you additional grips. On the top, you're going to see some lights show up when I do the overview of it and give you a closer look. Those are laser etched through that aluminum. So there's over 1,000 individual pinpoints that are behind that where the LED shines through. So they've really taken a lot of time to build a product that's incredibly durable. So let's talk about the lights now. There are 4 modes for the lights. As I mentioned, there's a green pointer, which is a laser, and you can shoot that at something and really light it up. There's a UV light on here that in the frequency band is right in that 365 nanometers of UV light. Now, I don't know if that matters to you or not, but essentially what it does is light up an area and reflects back anything white or stains or any kind of other things that you may be searching for. I'm a kid of the 70s, so back then we had black light posters. It sort of does the same thing. If you've got sneakers on that are white, they're gonna glow. It's pretty cool. But it also has a floodlight and it's got a spotlight. Now the floodlight, incredibly powerful. That's going to give you 1700 lumens of illumination. So it's going to throw a nice wide beam that's even across the area in front of you, up to 1700 lumens, which is incredibly bright. So you're going to see well in advance of where you're walking. And the spotlight is an 800 lumen spotlight, which is really good for looking at something up in the tree, or if you want to spot something in the backyard, or maybe you dropped your keys and you're looking on the ground for them. That spotlight is going to give you a lot of really focused light in the center of it. And the cool thing is you can use the laser pointer with any of the 3 modes. So you can turn the laser pointer on anytime, whether it's UV, flood, or spot, to kind of center the issue. And maybe there's something up there in the tree you want to point to, so the laser pointer comes on, you can point it out. So I think they've really thought it through. Now, what's really interesting about this is I mentioned before that they built a lot of proprietary technology into it. So I already talked about the aluminum on the outside, which is the OLIGHT development. In addition to that, they've got their own LED. So they built their own flashlight LED for this unit, which is unique. It's not like any other LED out there. It's a proprietary EIP LED that's been designed by OLIGHT, which guarantees a better efficiency, if you will, of the unit. Now, the way efficiency is measured, it's measured in lumens per watt. And this flashlight produces 134 lumens per watt of energy that it uses, and that's incredibly efficient. So why would that matter to you? Well, it means you're going to use less of the battery to get the same amount of illumination. It's sort of like miles per gallon on your car. You buy a car that's got better miles per gallon, you don't have to spend as much on gasoline. Here, you're charging the battery, which by the way is a 2000 milliampere hour battery. So once you charge that battery, you want to get as much use out of the flashlight as possible, and having that level of efficiency because of the proprietary LED they've designed really gives you better use out of the flashlight than you'll get from other flashlights, which may not last as long because they generate the same amount of light, but they're drinking more electrons than this one is. So it's going to give you really good use out in the field and really efficient use as well. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at the light because I want to show you how all the features and functions work. And then I'll actually take you outside and I'll do a demonstration. Now, it's always difficult to demonstrate a flashlight in pure darkness, so I'll do my best out there to show you the different functions that this product has. And then I'll come back one more time and remind you of a couple of things that really separate this particular ArkPro Ultra from other flashlights you may be considering because, again, for me, this is hands down the best EDC flashlight I've ever tested. So stay tuned, we'll take a closer look next. The ArkPro Ultra has a really unique case design that's long and thinner than most other flashlights, and the length of it was designed to fit comfortably into your hand to make it easy to carry around. And OLIGHT's actually laser etched a pattern into both sides of the case to make gripping it really easy. It also feels really well balanced in your hand, and it's got a very professional feel. You'll find the top and the bottom have rounded corners, which makes it really easy to slide it into a pocket or your backpack without much trouble. And on the back of the case is a belt clip you can use to attach it to your belt so it's always ready to use when you're out there on the trail. Now you can charge the flashlight in one of 2 ways. You can charge it through the bottom using the charging base that's included. Now this is a proprietary charging base that was designed by OLIGHT, and watch what happens when I bring this base close to the flashlight. The magnetics immediately attach it to the bottom and align it so it's ready to charge, and you can plug this end of the cable into any standard wall charger to quickly and safely charge the flashlight. You can also charge it on the side with a standard USB-C connection if that's easier, and both of these will charge the flashlight quickly. On the one side you'll find a button that activates the laser. If you hold it down it'll stay on temporarily, but if you tap it twice it'll stay on in lock position. And you can use this on 2 different intensities. Right now I've got it on 1 intensity. If I hold it you'll see it'll be dimmer. If I hold it again it'll get brighter. Let me turn it off. Now on the bottom of the unit there's an arc beat indicator, which again is a unique feature that OLIGHT has introduced into this flashlight, and that keeps track of how long you've used the flashlight, and it actually changes color the longer you've used the flashlight. Right now I haven't used the flashlight that much, so it's going to be white, but it'll turn different colors as you use it more often. The dial on the top here will let you change between the 3 modes, either UV, floodlight or spotlight, and you can simply move it to the position you want to use and then tap that button in the center to turn it on. Along the outside rim of this dial, on this side, there are indicators to let you know what the charge level is of the flashlight, and on this side, it'll indicate the intensity of the light you're using. So right now I've got it set on floodlight, so I'll push the button down, and I've got it on the lowest setting, but if I push the button down and hold it, it'll actually walk through the different settings for that floodlight. So right now I'm on low. If I hold it, it'll move up 2 more positions to bright. That's the brightest the floodlight gets, and again, it casts a very wide beam. Now if I move the dial to spotlight, you can see the beam is more focused, and if I hold it down, it'll walk through the different settings for spotlight. There we go. And then I can slide it over to UV, which is going to be hard to see, but you can see the blue light right there. And again, on that one, there are 2 different settings, bright and dimmer. And the nice thing is you can use the laser with all 3 of these settings. So if I've got it in UV light and I push the button, the laser comes on. So I can use that to help me spot the location. But if you notice here, I'll get it a little closer, you can see that I've got 3 lights on there when I'm using the flashlight that shows me what intensity I'm on. So right now I'm on very low, and let me put it on flood. That might be a little easier, and turn that on. And right now I'm on very low, but if I turn it up high, you'll see there are more bars lit up, so I'm at a higher setting, and you can see I'm almost fully charged. So turn it off like that. The last thing I'll mention is there is a lock position, and there's a little lock indicator right here, and you'll push the button down several times and put it in the lock position, and that eliminates the chances of it turning on in your pocket or on your belt if you brush up against something. But boy, I'm telling you, this is a really professionally designed flashlight. It just feels great in your hand. You've got proprietary material on the outside that's harder than aluminum, and you've got proprietary LEDs up top that are more efficient than other flashlights on the market, which means you can use it a lot longer than you can with those other flashlights on a full charge. Okay, so I'm outside to show you how the flashlight works, and I've actually got the floodlight on right now on the lowest setting, and you can see it's quite a lot of light across the top of the deck there. Let me go to the middle setting, even brighter, and then I can go to the top setting. Very, very bright. Now let's take a look over the side of the banister. Look how much light that's throwing. That's absolutely incredible. It's lighting up the entire backyard. And again, it's a nice wide beam, it's evenly dispersed, makes it really easy to walk along. You're not going to trip over anything. And now let me move into spotlight mode. And I've got it on the highest setting for the spotlight. And look how I can highlight those trees over there. I can spot things in the underbrush. I can sweep up top of the tree there in case there's anything up there I want to get a look at. Back down again to the ground. And again, I've got 3 settings here, so that's the brightest. Let me actually knock it down to the second. That's the lowest. That's the next one, that's the middle. So middle is what I use more often than the others because that's plenty bright and I can spot anything I need to in the distance. And the nice thing is I can use the laser pointer at the same time. So now I'm holding the laser pointer on and you can see that I'm highlighting those trees over there. It allows me to really focus in on exactly what I want to see and point things out with the spotlight. And now I'll go to UV. Now that's going to be hard to see, but that's the UV at low power. Let me put it on high power. Now I've turned it up a little bit, and you can see it's identifying a few things there on the ground, a couple of spots of maybe fuzz or dirt, but that's the UV setting. And again, I can use the laser with that if I need to highlight something. And that's pretty much it for the demo.
I hope that closer look and demonstration were helpful. Now here are a few really important things to keep in mind when you're comparing the ArkPro Ultra to other EDC flashlights you may be considering. The first thing, and probably most important thing, is that this flashlight is built by a company that understands how to build portable illumination solutions, and they've developed a lot of proprietary technology that make this a better EDC flashlight than pretty much anything else I've tested. Starting with the case, because you want a durable flashlight. A lot of EDC flashlights are sort of plastic, or maybe they're made out of aluminum and they've got a painted exterior. So after a couple of weeks, it's scratched up, it's dented, it just doesn't look that great. With this one, OLIGHT has invented an OAL aluminum, which again is 1.73 times more durable than standard 6061 aluminum, and it's as durable as titanium. So you're dealing with a material that doesn't scratch, it doesn't get nicked up. I mean, if you abuse it, it probably can, but they've also laser engraved the grips on either side of it, and they've really built an incredibly cool flashlight. So you've got a really durable product.
Well, you're buying the flashlight for illumination, right? You want to have a floodlight, a spotlight, maybe you want a UV light and you want a laser pointer. All of those things are built into this, but the LED is proprietary as well. It's an OLIGHT exclusive. They've developed the LED to be brighter, but more importantly, more efficient than other LEDs on the market. And the reason that's important is because the battery inside the unit is the power source. And it's 2,000 milliampere hours, so it's a powerful battery that you can charge really quickly. But you want to use that battery as efficiently as possible. So building an LED that drinks less electrons to provide the same amount of illumination means that you're going to use the flashlight longer on a full charge than you will with some other flashlights. That's also why it can be smaller, because you've got a 2,000 milliampere hour battery inside of a small case, but longer use out of it, which is pretty incredible. In addition to that, I really like this clever charging solution. On the side, there's a USB-C connection you can use with the standard charger, but I really like this magnetic base that pops on to allow me to charge it, so I can set that up, plug it in, and just charge it automatically. And that's another unique feature that OLIGHT has developed. You won't find that in other flashlights. The last thing I'll mention is the fact that they really built this to be really a tremendously high-end product. It really looks and feels like a top-class product. Belt clip on the back, good weight in your hand. It really conforms to your hand, so it's easy to hold on to. It might just be the last flashlight you're ever going to need, because it includes everything you'll want in a portable EDC solution, starting with a powerful 1700 lumen floodlight, an 800 lumen spotlight, a UV light, and a laser light in a flashlight that's small enough to slide into your pocket or clip to your belt. And it feels so good in your hand. The way it's designed, where it's long and it's thin, it's just got a great professional feel to it. And as I've mentioned, there's a lot of proprietary technology included that really benefits you, starting with the case, which is made out of OAL aluminum, which is designed by OLIGHT to be more durable than standard 6061 aluminum. Matter of fact, it's 1.73 times more durable than the standard aluminum most companies are using for their flashlights. And they've also redesigned a proprietary LED, which is what generates the light, to be incredibly efficient. So when you charge this, it'll actually last longer than other flashlights that have similar battery capacities, and it's a smaller package. So pretty much everything about this is unique. I think OLIGHT has done a phenomenal job with this flashlight. I've been using it for the past couple of weeks, and I'm telling you, it goes with me everywhere. It solves all my problems when I need to light something up, and it's just a wonderful product. And I've had so many people ask me, what do you got there? What kind of flashlight is that? And I can't wait to tell them about all the benefits. So hopefully you found this review helpful. I've enjoyed talking about it, and I think it's a wonderful product. So thanks an awful lot for watching, and until next time, as always, stay nerdy.